Let's do this. Number 4, fourth and final. Probably be the last of it, depending on what the... I don't even know how much the distributor is going to have. I think Panini held a lot of it about anticipating it being big. So, we'll see. Box 4. Fourth and final. Let's get a color blast or a 1 of 1. We got a blue. We got a red, or yeah, a pink. I don't know what pink is. We got redemption, looks like. Something upside down. Ooh, that looks like a pretty color, maybe. I'm sorry, Damien. If you didn't bail on me, maybe I'll give you a heads up next time. But you always bail on me. Tell me I'm overpriced. I rip you off. All kinds of mean things. Come on, Color Blast. I want a Color Blast. Are they one per case or one every 2 cases? I know I can't get it for what I sold it for. I know that. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. We got Rose Blue. That is 198 of 199. Women's Straw. Women's Straw. That is RK. Tatiana Suarez. Women's Straw again. Silver. RK again. RK is starting off hot. Amanda Nunes. Nate Diaz. Lee. Hall. Brunson. Mitchell. Dauber. Yan. Augusto and a lime green Rakic. Lime green Rakic. That is number 35 of 75. 35 of 75. Light heavyweight. That is. Light heavyweight is. Not seen. Nice seen. Rob. And we got Jessica Andrade. Jessica Andrade. Flyweight. Blue. Women's flyweight. That is Brandon. And it is 31 of 35. 31 of 35. Nice hit. And we got Kelvin Gastolum, men's middleweight. 44 of 275. 44 of 275. The middleweight is Gary. Jon Jones, Fearless, silver. Jon Jones, silver. Light heavyweight. Rob, nice hit. Nice hit. Jon Jones. Oops. I had one more stuck to the back. We got said bantamweight, purple bantamweight. That is the 149. Michael. Nice color. And Gilbert Burns, Mojo, welterweight. Gilbert Burns, welterweight. That is Austin. That is 18 of 25. 18 of 25. Nice hit. Excuse me. Allergies are getting me today. They getting you, Ricky? You're out here too. Did I read that wrong? Oh, yep, I did. I read it wrong. Sorry. Yep, that's Doug. Aldo. How about a Brad Riddle blue? Lightweight. Brad Riddle blue lightweight. Michael. 131 of 199. 131 of 199. Brad Riddle. Frankie Edgar, bantamweight. Frankie Edgar, bantamweight. Michael, silver. Let's go. Where is the big one? And Peter Yan. Peter Yan red. Bantamweight again. Michael. That is 122 of 275. 122 of 275. Justin Gaeth. I believe. Silver. That is... I don't know. I don't know what 20 fights. It's not marked on there. I usually mark it somewhere. Congrats, whoever it is. Ferguson. We got Ed Herman. Ed Herman. That is 30 of 49 light heavyweight. 30 of 49 light heavyweight. Rob. Stipe Miok heavyweight. Heavyweight. That is Austin. 65 of 99. 65 of 99. Nunes, and we got Bryce Mitchell. Bryce Mitchell, featherweight. That is Doug. Now it is 171 of 275. 171 of 275. Doug. Hill, heavyweight. That is Austin, silver. Khabib. Nathaniel Wood. And Cub Swanson, featherweight, blue. Cub Swanson, featherweight, blue, Doug. 198 of 199. 198 of 199. Cub Swanson, featherweight. Michael Chisa, welterweight, silver. Welterweight, silver. That is Doug again. Doug is on a hot streak on this one. And we got Jimmy Crute, light heavyweight. Jimmy Crute, light heavyweight. Blue. Rob. 185 of 199. 185 of 199. Raphael. Bantamweight, silver. Bantamweight, silver, Michael. How about a McGregor? Conor McGregor. Getting close to the end, and we got Vulcan, light heavyweight, purple. 39 of 149. 39 of 149. Rob. Durer, heavyweight. Rosenstruck, heavyweight. That is Austin with the silver. And last pack. We got Souza. Light heavyweight. Rob, blue to 199. And Johnny Walker, light heavyweight. Rob again, red, 56 of 275. 56 of 275. And to finish her out, that is it. All right. Here we go.